Greetings everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and run Dreamwood extension on the WebUI templates on RunPods after their newest template changes. I have been getting asked too many times, so this will be a short video that I will only explain how to install and run Dreamwood extension on RunPods. So the most important thing is getting high RAM having RunPod like 62GB and getting a decent VRAM having graphic card like RTX 4500. Let's click deploy. Select the template here. This is really important. I am selecting RunPod Stable Diffusion 1.5. Set your persistent volume as usual, like 100 gigabytes. Deploy. Okay, the pod has been started. Let's connect. Okay, fresh pod is here. First enter the Stable Diffusion WebUI folder. Start a new terminal. Just type git pull. Why? Because we are updating if there is a newer version of the WebUI. Then enter inside extensions folder, start a new terminal here, copy the URL of the extension, type git clone and the extension URL, it will clone it in here. You see, if you already have installed the extension and if you want to update it, enter inside the folder, open a new terminal here, type git pull. This will update the extension. Currently automatic 11.11 WebUI extension update mechanism is broken through the interface, so you should use git pull. Okay, now inside this extension folder we are going to install requirements. To install them we will run a very simple command, which is pip install -r requirements txt, and that's it. It will install all of the dependencies. So this is the command you need to execute inside this folder. Make sure that you are inside this folder where you are executing this command. To open command window inside this folder, press new launcher terminal and you will see the terminal started inside this folder, as you can see. Okay, everything was installed successfully. You can just ignore this pip dependencies resolver message. And then let's go back to our WebUI. In here, you need to change relauncher.py and prevent it relaunching again and again, because we are going to kill it and is smaller than 1. And we also need the fix requirements version configuration. This is the requirements version of WebUI, and then go back into the inside of extensions folder, inside the remote extension, open requirements txt and compare the versions. If there are conflicting ones, use the ones that are written in remote extension. For example, accelerate. I'm going to change accelerate version, and then there is also transformers version. This one. I will also change the transformers version as well. So here I have changed it, and there is also another one, which is Git Python. I am also changing the Git Python version. Why we are doing this? Because when you restart your WebUI, it will overwrite the versions of libraries and it will cause problems. Once you've done all of this, you need to restart your pod. Go to the My Pods section, click Restart Pod. Okay, the pod has been restarted. All we need to do is now kill the initial instance and then restart WebUI. So I am opening a terminal inside Stable Diffusion WebUI folder. Type fuser-k 3000 TCP. They added fuser command. Now it works. Then type python relauncher.py and it is going to relaunch and we will get our Dreamwood extension working very well. Okay, it has been started, but we have forgotten to add share command line argument, so we are not getting gradual link. Let's edit and restart again. Okay, I need to first kill the previous instance. When you kill the instance, you will see this is also terminated. Then retype python relauncher.py. Okay, it started, as you can see. When I click this URL now, I will see the web UI on RunPod with Dreamwood extension. And yes, it is working. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed, please like, subscribe, support us by joining, support us on Patreon. I would appreciate that very much. You will find the Patreon link in the description of the video and also in the comment section of the video. Also, make sure that you have watched this video. This is an excellent video that I have done on RunPod, so you will enjoy this very much. Hopefully see you in another video.